This is Freebird. She's a 56 Carver Voyager, and our home port is in Chattanooga, Tennessee. We are Ed and Maureen. We hope you will join us as we travel around the Great Loop on Freebird. Our three girls have been boating with us since they were babies. This is our daughter, Alicia. She's really helpful when she's aboard.
This is Alicia letting the water pressure out of the shore water system.
Rolling up the water hose. Getting ready to take off down the Tennessee River towards Alabama. Going to be going through a lock to Chattanooga first of all, and then we will be on Nickajack Lake. It's kind of chilly out today. Okay, Ed is unhooking the electric now, and Alicia will bring it in with the Glendenning.
Let's do the other one first. 35 degrees, it's a little stiff this morning.
It's a two-man job. We try to clean it off as it's going in every time to take the moisture off of it. Freebird got a nice wash this week. Get rid of all the spiders that come down from up here. And so she's all nice and clean and ready to roll for our trip. Alright, we're getting ready to start the engines.
Blowers on.
We're driving in the pilot house today because it's 30-something degrees out there this morning. And so we're going to stay in here till we get going, but it'll probably warm up this afternoon.
Oil pressure's good.
We've only got 9.9 feet in our slip. When we were here a few weeks ago, we had 12 feet. Sometimes we have up to, how much do we have usually?
Like 16 in a
16.
Full summer pool, but we're down.
Full summer pool, but so they're bringing the water down. Our front round white ball is a little deflated due to the cold, but we're hoping when we get out in the sun it'll come back to normal. And because that really saves the front of the boat when we go through locks. Before we had that, it was scary, so that has really saved us. It holds the front off when it swings over. Here's the view out of our slip at Island Cove Marina. And Alicia's over here helping Ed take off the ropes and get us loose for the takeoff. There's Ed coming to do this side. It's one of our neighbors in the carver, and we got another carver over there. This boat. A couple of gorgeous sea rays next to us. Love this 500 next to us. We used to have a third one, but he took off to Florida in the summer. Our job is to hold on to this post. Alicia holds on to that post while Ed comes in. You take care of your job. job. I'll take care of mine.
Okay.
Pull us in. Your back's going. Your back's going out.
Going out. You want to push away just a tiny bit.
Tiny bit. I'll push away.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yep. We're good, hon. Just gonna put it in gear. You're about 3-4 feet away. You got plenty of room on this side. Clear. That's when the snow platform is clear a little ago. Ooh, it's nice and sunny out here. There's Freedom Dock. We used to be over there, a 60-foot slip. Decided to save some money and move into our, oh, that was an 80-foot slip. Now we're in a 60-foot slip. Yep. And we're taking off. Beautiful day. Some gorgeous houses over here. Across from our marina. And a real nice big yacht. A couple of them actually. There's a gorgeous sea ray behind that too. And we're hoping to see a lot of beautiful fall colors up the river. I need to talk louder, don't I? Yes. Okay. We're hoping to see some beautiful fall colors up the river. We've got a little bit going here. The water is definitely down. You can see the land off of these islands. There usually can't see any land. It's just the trees. And there's actually a land bar coming out there on both those islands. And looking back at Island Cove. Great place to go if you want to stop if you come up this way. There's a Amigos Mexican restaurant up there with delicious food. We had that last night. And they do have service and gas, not diesel, but gas, and pump outs. And they do take transients.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see. There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by, all kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance I see someone waiting